Hi, I'm Kimberly Calavera from the Philippines. Thank you for taking the time to watch the short introduction video. I wanted to introduce myself properly and share how I can support you as your executive assistant and property specialist. I started my career with the Department of Foreign Affairs as a Foreign Service officer, where precision, clear communication, and handling sensitive matters were part of my daily work. That foundation taught me how to stay calm, organized, and proactive under pressure. After working for the Department of Foreign Affairs, I supported Coral Sanchez, an Airbnb bed and breakfast. I was managing their bookings, coordinating check-ins, housekeeping, and maintenance. Then most recently, I have worked with Global Property Reach as an executive assistant. There I manage all executive inboxes, triaging emails daily while keeping inbox zero and fast response time. I also handle property portfolios with accuracy. I have built SOPs from scratch that reduce processing time and coordinated with vendors and tenants. I am introverted and very organized, and I really enjoy working at the back end of the business. I am based in the Philippines, but I'm fully flexible with graveyard or night shifts. My schedule overlaps well with US Eastern mornings and Central Time, so I can work well during your business days. I'm very comfortable also with the tools most businesses use today, like Google Workspace, Go High Level, HubSpot, Slack, Notion, ClickUp, and Monday.com. And I'm also familiar with Rentvine, Apply, and Apollo. With AI tools like Cloud, Gemini, and ChatGPT, I use it daily as a tool to work faster without losing quality. What I enjoy most is creating systems and orders so busy founders and executives can focus on growth instead of getting buried in administrative work. Outside of work, I love continuous learning, so I spend my off days upskilling and taking courses. At home, also, in my home, I keep things organized by cleaning and relaxing with my family. I'm passionate about being a reliable partner, someone you can trust to anticipate needs, protect your time, and handle operations smoothly. I would love to learn more about your business and how I can support you. And if this resonates with you, feel free to message me or book a quick call through my Calendly. I have shared the link of my portfolio on my resume, so you can also check samples of my work and SOPs. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to the possibility of working together. Thank you so much, and thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful day.